Alright, hello everyone, what is up? My name is Priyam, welcome to a brand new video, and this is going to be about Windows 11 Insider Preview, first ever version. As soon as I hit restart now, I'm gonna get it immediately. So if you wanted to, follow this video. But before I need to warn you, this is the first build of Windows 11, meaning that this might have some issues. So do it at your own risk. I don't really mind taking risks, so I'm gonna do it. But once again, this might have a lot of issues, so do it at your own risk. And I can also confirm you that this is not the leaked version and this is not a Windows 10 version either. This is the first Windows 11. And you can make this update happen on your PC, Windows 10 PC, right from the Windows Update section. You don't have to do any of those ISO stuff. So first thing that you will have to do is to go to your start menu and type tpm.msc and press enter. So if you see this screen right here, what I'm seeing, it means that the tpm thing is already enabled on your PC. However, if you see some red crosses here, like it's not enabled or something like that, it just means that either your PC does not support TPM 2.0 or it just is toggled off, which in my case, it was toggled off. So to enable this, it depends on your motherboard. For example, in MSI, you have to go to BIOS and do this. So I'm in BIOS right now, and all you need to do is just to go to settings first, and right here go to security, and right there go to trusted computing, and in here just enable this thing, security device support, and that should do it. And the TPM state in the bottom should also be enabled right there, this thing, and that all should do it. But in your case, it could be totally different, so make sure that you do some research for that. But anyway, once you do it, you can just go right here in Windows Insider program. By the way, you can find all of this in settings right here, Windows Insider program. And as you can see, I'm already a part of Windows Insider program. But if you're not a part of this thing, I'll leave a link in the description, which is a blog post that's gonna show you how to be a part of this, which is very easy, by the way. You'll just see a button, enroll, and you'll have to click on it and proceed. And once you do all that, just make sure that your account is logged in with a Microsoft account. And once you do all that, just click right here and select the dev channel, which basically is the most unstable channel. And once again, it's totally on your own risk. This can be very unstable, but I'm gonna try it on my main PC. Yes, seriously. So make sure that you select dev channel, because this is the one that will get all of the Windows 10 builds as soon as possible, which in this case, I just got it right now. So once you do all of that, you'll just have to go to Windows Update and make sure that your Windows 10 is fully updated. If it's not, you'll get a Windows 10 update instead. And once you all of that, you will see this right here, this exact build 10.0.22, whatever that is. You'll see this build, and these are some other updates that I've got. And basically you'll just have to let that download, and once done, you'll be right here where I am. And so right now I'm gonna click on restart now, and let's see what Windows 11 is like. Alright, so after that you're gonna see this screen right here. It's gonna take super long because I'm very experienced with Windows updates. So it's gonna take super long. Just give it like 30 minutes or something. Go do something else and just let it be. Alright, this is very interesting. Look at that clock position. It's not usual, and this is supposed to be the lock screen of this new Windows 11, I guess. And look at the time. It's been almost 30 to 40 minutes, and after a lot of restarts, we're finally here. So I'm just gonna press enter, and okay, it's asking for my pin. I'm just gonna enter that. Okay, there we go. Welcome. Nice. Okay. So this looks very similar, obviously, because this is the desktop. It's 100% simple. I mean, same, and the Windows, this PC icon is a bit different. Interesting stuff. But if I move the mouse in the start menu section, okay, so there we go, guys. This is the #1 Windows 11 thing that everyone has been waiting for. And so if I click here,
This is supposed to be the new start menu. Okay, this is neat. I like it in between actually. I prefer it. It's more like Mac OS right now. It's like the Mac OS dock, but it just looks so good and neat in here. Look at that animation, the way it just pops up. And right now, if I go into settings, and then, okay, the settings, this is also very different. Windows Update, let's go there. And I'm sure there are a lot of awesome YouTubers who are gonna break down every single points, but for us, we can just see that this is up to date now, and Windows Insider program, everything should be as it was. I don't even know why am I here, but yes, this is the latest Windows 11 version. And so, okay, where's refresh? Where's refresh? Okay, I have this habit of refreshing like every 10 seconds since over a decade now. Where is refresh? Oh my god. This is weird. Sort by paste shortcut new item. Seriously? Oh my god, guys. So there is no refresh on Windows 11. I didn't really know about this. Did you know? Let me know down in the comments below. But we have successfully installed Windows 11 on my PC, and I'm gonna leave it up to you if you want to do it on your own PC. This is actually my main PC, yes, and I can totally take the risk. So let me know down in the comments below if you were able to install Windows 11 on your PC, and whether if you're gonna do it, and whether if you like this Windows refresh thing, it being removed. This is weird, but okay, I think it's just gonna make things more convenient. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to drop a like, and I'll see you all in the next one. Okay, that wasn't really focused. In the next one.